Here we are, Alex. I am so excited to be at the zoo today.
Me too, Sophia. The weather is perfect for walking around.
Did you bring your camera? I want to take many pictures of the animals.
Yes, it is right here in my backpack. Look at all these people.
The zoo is very popular on Saturdays. Let's go buy our tickets.
Good idea. I hope the line is not too long.
It looks like it's moving fast. What animal do you want to see first?
I really want to see the lions. They are my favorite.
The lions are majestic. I want to see the penguins.
We can see both. Let's get our tickets and start the adventure. Okay, let's look at the map. Where are the lions?
Let me see. The big cat section is on the left side of the park.
And where are your penguins, Sophia?
The penguin coast is near the aquarium on the far right.
That's quite a walk. We should plan our route carefully.
We can see the giraffes and elephants on the way to the lions.
Perfect. Look, there is a cafe right in the middle for lunch later.
Great! I'm already thinking about snacks.
Haha! You are always hungry. Let's start walking this way.
Follow me, I'll be the guide for today.
Wow! Look at that huge lion resting on the rock.
He is so beautiful. Look at his thick mane.
He looks very peaceful right now, but I know he is powerful.
There is a female lion over there too, in the shade.
Lions are the only cats that live in large social groups called prides.
I didn't know that. You know a lot about animals, Alex.
I like reading about them. Listen, did you hear that low growl?
Yes, it was very deep. He is waking up.
I'll take a quick photo before he moves away.
Smile for the camera, Mr. Lion. Oh, look, it's feeding time for the penguins.
They are so funny when they waddle like that.
Hello there. Would you like to see how we feed them?
Yes, please. They seem very hungry.
They certainly are. They eat mostly small fish and krill.
How many penguins do you have here?
We have 30 penguins in this colony. They are very social.
Look at that one. He is jumping out of the water.
That's Charlie. He's our fastest swimmer.
Thank you for sharing this with us, Sam.
They are the cutest animals in the whole zoo. This sandwich is delicious. I really needed this break.
Me too. We have already walked a lot this morning.
What was your favorite part so far?
Definitely the lions, but the penguins were very entertaining too.
I loved meeting Sam the zookeeper. He was so nice.
He really knows his stuff. Should we see the monkeys next?
Yes, the primate house is just around the corner.
I hope they are active and swinging around.
Let's finish our lunch and head over there.
Agreed. Let's not waste any time.
Look at that little monkey. He is swinging by his tail.
He is so agile. They look like they are having so much fun.
They are so much like humans sometimes. Look at how he peels that banana.
They are very intelligent animals. They use tools in the wild.
That one over there is chasing his brother. It's like a playground.
I could watch them all day. They are never boring.
Do you think they ever fall off the ropes?
Rarely. They have a very strong grip and great balance.
Look, he's making a funny face at us.
I think he wants to play with your hat, Sophia. I can't believe how tall they are. Their necks are incredibly long.
They are so graceful. Look at their beautiful patterns.
Each giraffe has a unique pattern, just like a human fingerprint.
That is fascinating. How do they sleep with such long necks?
They usually sleep standing up, but only for a few minutes at a time.
Only a few minutes. I would be so tired.
They are always on the lookout for predators in the wild.
Look at that baby giraffe. He is trying to reach the leaves too.
He is small compared to his mother, but he is still taller than us.
Everything about them is just amazing. It's so warm and humid in here, it feels like a jungle.
The butterflies need this environment to survive. Look at all the colors.
Alex, don't move. A blue butterfly just landed on your shoulder.
Wow, I can feel its tiny legs. It's so light.
It's a blue morpho. They are famous for that bright blue color.
It is stunning. I wish I could stay still forever.
There are so many different kinds here. Look at the one with the orange wings.
That's a monarch butterfly. They travel thousands of miles every year.
Such a small creature with such a big journey.
Nature is truly full of surprises.
Everything in this shop is so cute. I want to buy this plush penguin.
It looks just like the ones we saw earlier. It's very soft.
I'll call him Charlie after the fast swimmer Sam showed us.
That's a great name. I'm going to buy this book about wildlife photography.
That fits you perfectly. You took some great photos today.
I hope they turned out well. I want to learn more about how to take better ones.
Should we get something for our friends too?
Let's get some animal-themed keychains. They are easy to carry.
Perfect choice. Let's go to the checkout counter.
What a successful shopping trip.
What a wonderful day it has been. I'm exhausted but so happy.
Me too, Sophia. My feet are a bit sore from all the walking.
It was worth it. We saw so many amazing animals today.
And we learned a lot of new things too. The zoo is a great place to visit.
I'm glad we came. Thank you for being my zoo buddy today, Alex.
Anytime, Sophia. Where should we go for our next adventure?
Hmm, maybe the beach or the mountains?
Let's decide after we get some rest. I'm ready for a nap.
Ha, me too. Goodbye, City Zoo. We'll be back soon.
Let's go home and look at the photos we took.